Okay, who will give presentation today? Who is going first?
Ma'am, hello.
Yes, I'm listening.
Okay. Good afternoon, ma'am, and to one and all present here. My name is Sahil Borgere, enrollment number 027,
Zero
and my
27. Okay.
yeah, ma'am. And my experiment is to determine my volume of sphere by using Vernier caliper and apparatus required. Vernier caliper spherical body such as a pendulum bob on a glass marble. And now I'm going to read out theory. A Vernier caliper has two scales, one main scale and a Vernier scale, which slightly along the main scale. And the main scale and the Vernier scale are divided into small division through of different magnitudes. The main scale is graduated in centimeter.
We cannot hear you. Sahil, your voice is not coming.
मैम
Yes.
मालूम नहीं मैम मतलब स्क्रीन ही ऑफ हो गया था मैं फिर से अभी कनेक्ट किया
हाँ ठीक है, फिर से करो.
मतलब मैं अभी यूनिवर्सिटी के सामने हूँ ना इसलिए शायद नेटवर्क ये प्रॉब्लम हो रहा
हाँ, नेट एक जगह पे बैठ लो जहाँ पे नेटवर्क है.
है और रात को भी मतलब सिग्नल ही नहीं रहता
हाँ हाँ, यहाँ पे थोड़ा इशू है नेटवर्क का. ठीक है, तुम एक बार ऑफ करके फिर से कनेक्ट करो.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है मैम मैं स्टार्टिंग से बोलता हूँ.
Okay, continue.
Good afternoon, ma'am, and to one and all present here. My name is Sahil Borgeri, and my enrollment number is 027. And my aim of the experiment is to determine the volume of sphere by using Vernier caliper. And effort is required. Vernier caliper spherical bodies such as pendulum pop on a glass marble. And now I'm going to read out theory. A Vernier caliper has two scales, one main scale and a Vernier scale, which slide along the main scale, and the main scale and a Vernier scale are divided into small divisions through of different magnitudes, and the main scale is graduated in centimeter and millimeter. And it has a two fixed jaw, and the letter is A and C, projected at right angle to the scale. And the sliding Vernier scale has jaw B and D, projecting at a right angle to it. And also the main scale and the metallic strip is N. The zero of main scale and Vernier scale coincide when the jaws are made to touch each other. The jaw and the metallic strips are designed to measure the distance or diameter of object. Can of V is used to slide the Vernier scale and the main scale. And the other one is screw S. Screw S is used to fix the Vernier scale at the desired positions. Now, least count of Vernier caliper. The magnitude of the smallest division by the total number of small division on the Vernier scale, and the difference is in the magnitude of one main scale division MSD and one Vernier scale, and the short form is BSD, is called the least count of the instrument, as it is the smallest distance that can be measured by using the instrument. And here is the diagram shown here, Vernier caliper scale and NBSD, and the full form of NBSD is number of Vernier scale division, and N minus D MSD, least count of Vernier calipers. The magnitude of the smallest division of the main scale by the total number of small division on the Vernier scale. And the volume of spherical object is B equal to 4 by 3 pi r square. Now, the procedure is we need to keep the jaw of Vernier caliper close, and we need to observe the zero mark of the main scale, and it must be perfectly coincide with that of the Vernier scale. Now we need to look the division on the Vernier scale coincide with the division of main scale using a magnifying glass if available and not. Ada tak? मतलब क्लास हो रहा है क्लास हो रहा है Look for the division on the Vernier scale that coincide with the division of main scale. Using a magnifying glass is available and not, and the number of division on the Vernier scale that coincide with the one on the main scale. Position your eyes. Position our eyes should be directly over the division mass so as to avoid any parallel error. Now we need to gently loose the screw to release the movable jaw slide. Slide it enough to hold a sphere cylindrical body with any undue pressure in the between lower jaw AV, and the jaw should be perfectly perpendicular to the diameter to the body. And now we need to gently tighten the screw so as to clamp the instrument in the position to the body.
Hello Sahil, your voice is buffering. Hello, can you hear me? Your voice is not clear. Can you hear me? Okay, presentation was okay, but you are just reading the lines as you as your practical copy. ओके मैंने बोला
Yeah,
कि तुम
ma'am.
लोगों को अपने वर्ड्स में समझाना है तुम जस्ट रीड कर दिया तुम्हारा प्रैक्टिकल कॉपी मैंने बोला था कि तुमको क्या समझ में आई एक्सपेरिमेंट के बारे में वो बोलना था ओके
Yeah, ma'am.
ओके ठीक है 27 राइट
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
ओके थैंक यू
Welcome.
हु इज नेक्स्ट साहिल यू कैन स्टॉप शेयरिंग
Yeah. Ini buka.
हु इज नेक्स्ट
Ma'am,
यस यस
ma'am, I'll do now.
ओके
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Celine Bophang, and my roll number is 12. And the topic which I'm going to do today, is experiment 2.
कंटिन्यू
Determine the volume of one main scale are divided into small divisions.
I think your network connection is bad. We can see
Has
only the
default
first
stop.
page. Only your first page is showing. Maybe your network connection is bad.
Yes,
And we
ma'am.
also cannot hear your voice properly.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, I'll do again.
Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, I'll do again.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Now we can see. Continue.
And see right angles to the scale has jaws BD projecting at right angles to it, and also the main scales and a metallic strip N. The zero of main scales and vernier scales coincide when the jaws are made to touch each other. The jaws are designed to measure the distance, diameter of the objects cannot be is to slide the scales on the main scale. Screw S is used to fix the vernier scales at a desired positions. Least count of vernier caliper in the magnitude of small vernier. The difference in the magnitude of one main scales division MSD and one and one vernier scale division. Scale division VSD is called the least count of the instrument as it is the smallest distance that can be measured using the instrument. N VSD is equal to N minus 1 by MSD. Least count of the vernier calipers. The magnitude of the smaller division on the main scale divided by the total number of small divisions on the vernier scale. The volume of a cube volume is equal to length into breadth into height. L is equal to L cube. Thank you.
Okay, your name is Celine, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see, all of you are just reading the lines as in your copy. I have told you just explain, present the presentation as what you have understood, right? What you have, I am asking that what you have understood, you can present in your own words. Uh, all of you are just reading the lines only. But okay, this is your first time, so I'm excusing that. Your roll number is 12.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next.
Ma'am, I'll give.
Yes.
I'll give.
Okay,
Ma'am, I also.
one by one.
Good afternoon, everyone. So today, my aim of the experiment is to determine the volume of a sphere by using vernier caliper. Apparatus required: vernier caliper, a spherical body such as a pendulum, wave, or a glass marble. Theory: a vernier caliper has two scales, one main scale and a vernier scale, which slide along the main scale. The main scale and vernier scale are divided into small divisions of different magnitudes. The main scale is graduated in centimeter and millimeter. It has two fixed jaws, A and C, projected at right angle to the scale. The sliding vernier scale has jaws B, D, projecting at right angle to it, and also the main scale and a metallic strip N. The zero of main scale and vernier coincide when the jaws are made to touch each other. The jaw and metallic strip and designed to measure the distance or diameter of object. Canopy is used to slide the vernier scale on the main scale. Screw S is used to fix the vernier scale at a desired position. So this is a figure of a vernier caliper. E and A is a fixed jaw, and D and B is a sliding jaw. A and B is a lower zone that used to measure external diameter. And C and D is the upper zone that used to measure internal diameter. And S is a locking screw that used to fix at a desired position. And M is a main scale, and N is a depth rod that used to measure depth of an object. Let's count. Let's count This count of vernier caliper is the magnitude of the smallest division on the main scale divided by the total number of small divisions on the vernier scale. The difference in the magnitude of one main scale division MSD and one vernier scale division BSD is called the least count of the instrument, as it is the smallest distance that can be measured using the instrument, and VSD is equal to n minus 1 MSD. And the volume of a sphere formula is B is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, good. What is your enrollment number?
21, ma'am.
21. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, जब तुम लोग ये प्रेजेंटेशन दो ना, प्लीज़ अपने वर्ड्स में एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश करना. ओके, नेक्स्ट. Next. Yeah.
Ma'am, I will click.
Okay.
Can you see, ma'am?
Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Monica Tamang, and today I am going to give a presentation on how to determine the volume of a cube by using vernier caliper.
Your enrollment
The
number?
051.
051. Okay.
The aim of the experiment is to determine the volume of a cube by using vernier caliper. The apparatus required for this experiment are vernier caliper and a cube. Firstly, what is vernier caliper? So, vernier caliper is an instrument used to measure the dimension of an object. It has two scales, main scale and a vernier scale, which slides along the main scale. These scales are divided into small divisions, though of different magnitudes. The main scale is graduated in cm and mm. This is the figure of a vernier caliper, where AC and BD are the fixed jaws of main scale and vernier scale. Metallic strip is and N is known as the vernier scale. Now list count. So list count of a vernier caliper is the magnitude of the smallest division on the main scale divided by the total number of small divisions on the vernier scale. Mathematically, least count of vernier scale is the magnitude of the smallest division on the main scale divided by the total number of small divisions of the vernier scale. The difference in the magnitude of one scale division and one vernier scale division is called the least count of the instrument, as it is the smallest distance that can be measured using this instrument. And VSD is equals to n minus 1 MSD. Formula for calculating volume of a cube is equals to length into breadth into height. That is L into L into L is equals to L cube. Thank you.
Okay, good.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
ma'am.
Okay, roll number 51.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I want to give.
Okay, give Kaustav Sharma.
Good morning to everyone. Today I am giving to want to give a presentation on observe the variation of the potential difference across a given resistance changing the apparent I through it. Draw IV graph and find the value of the given resistance from the graph. Apparatus required. Battery, an insulated copper wire, B, an ammeter, a voltmeter, a rheostat, a resistor, a piece of sandpaper. Theory. In an electric circuit, the potential difference V across the metallic wire is directly proportional to the to the current flowing through the circuit with a constant temperature. This is known as Ohm's law. E is equal to IR. Following are the factors affecting resistance. The nature of the resistor with an increase in the length of resistance length also affects the resistance. With an increase in the cross-sectional area, the resistance decreases. 1 minute, ma'am.
Okay, Gustav, what is your enrollment number?
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, 1 minute. Even is
Oh,
not completed.
oh, you're not done. Okay, continue.
With an increase in the cross-sectional area, the resistance decreases. So cross-sectional area of the wire affects the resistance. Observation table. List count of an ammeter and a voltmeter. Serial number, range, ammeter, voltmeter.
Okay, Gustav, do not. It is not needed to explain the table.
Conclusion. For all three readings, the R value is the same and constant. The ratio of the potential difference V and current I is the resistance of a resistor. With the help of the graph and between V and I, Ohm's law is verified as the plot is a straight line. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, what is your enrollment number?
Ma'am, 049.
49.
014.
Okay. Anyone else? Yes?
Can I give?
Who is going next?
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am. Ma'am, it's
Yes, it is showing.
good morning, everyone. My name is Siti Devrama and my roll number is 032. Today I'm going to speak on the topic Barnell caliper. Aim of the experiment to determine the volume of a sphere by using Barnell caliper. Apparatus require Barnell caliper, a spherical body such as a pendulum, waves, or a glass marble. In theory, a Barnell caliper has two scales, one main scale and a Barnell scale which slide along the main scale. The main scale and Barnell scale are divided into small division thought of different magnitude. The main scale is graduated in centimeter and millimeter. It has two fixed jaws A and C, uh, projected at right angles to the scale. The sliding Barnell scale has jaws B and D, projecting at right angles to it, and also the main scale and a metallic strap and the zero of main scale and Barnell coincide when the jaws and met to touch each other. The jaws and metallic strap and designed to measure the distant diameter of object. No P is used to slide the Barnell scale on the main scale. Screw S is used to fix the Barnell scale at a discrete position. And here's the figure of Barnell caliper. AB AB is a lower jaws that used to measure external diameter, and CD is upper jaws that used to measure internal diameter. S is locking screw that used to fix at a desired position, and P is thumb screw. M is main scale, and N deep root that used to measure depth of a object. C is fixed jaws. DV and DV is sliding jaws. The vernier caliper, which consists of two scale 1. Least count of vernier caliper is the magnitude of smallest division on main scale and divided by the total number of small divisions on the vernier scale. The difference in the magnitude one main scale division (MSD) and one vernier scale division (BSD) is called the least count of the instrument, as it is the smallest distance that can be measured using the instrument. N BS equals to N minus 1 MSD. Least count of vernier caliper equals to the magnitude of the smallest division on the main scale, the total number of small division on the vernier scale. The volume of a sphere B equals to 4 by 3 per r cube. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Next.
Ma'am,
Yes.
hello ma'am,
Yes.
present.
I can hear your voice properly. Hello.
My name is Miss. Hello ma'am,
Yeah, yeah. Continue.
good afternoon and to everyone. My name is Miss Chiang, roll number 48. I'm going to present our aim to determine the volume of rectangular body by using apparatus required, that is vernier caliper and tube. Theory, I will present on a vernier caliper. A vernier caliper has two scales, that is one main scale and a vernier scale, which slide along the main scale. The main scale and vernier scale are furthermore divided in a small division, which is on different magnitude, and this main scale is graduated in centimeter and millimeter, which has to fix a jaw A and C, projected at right angle to the scale, whereas the sliding vernier scale has jaw B and D, projected at a right angle to it, and also at the main scale and a metallic strip N. So the zero of main scale and vernier scale coincide when the jaws are made to touch each other. The jaw and metallic strip are designed to measure the distance or diameter. Object knob P is used to slide the vernier scale on the main scale. Screw S is used to fix the vernier scale at a desired position. Least count of vernier scale caliper is magnitude of smallest division on the main scale divided by the total number of small division on the vernier scale. The difference in the magnitude of one main scale division MSD and one vernier scale division VSD is called the least count of instrument, as it is the smallest distance that can be measured using the instrument. N B into point S point T is equal to N minus 1 MSD is count of caliper. The magnitude of smallest division on the main scale divided the total number of small division on the vernier scale. The volume of cube is equal to length to height is equal to length into length into length is equal to the length cube. Thank you.
Okay, what is your enrollment number?
48, ma'am.
What?
48. 48.
48. Okay. Next.
Ma'am, I will give.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
you can see my screen.
Yes, I can see your screen. Continue.
Good afternoon, ma'am and friends. I want to present on the topic Pioneer Caliper. M of the to determine the volume of a sphere by using Pioneer Caliper. Theory of the experiment. A Pioneer Caliper has two scales, are main scale and Pioneer scale, which slides along the main scale. The main scale and vernier scale are divided into small divisions dot, of different magnitudes. The main scale is graduated in centimeter and millimeter. It has two discs jaw, A and C, projected at right angles to the scale. The sliding vernier scale has jaw DD, projecting at right angles to each and also the main scale and a metallic strip N. The zero of main scale and vernier coincide when the jaws are made to toss. Each other the jaw and metallic strip are designed to measure the distance in the diameter of objects. Now, phi is used to slide the vernier scale on the main scale. Screw S is used to place the vernier scale screw at a desired position. Let's count of vernier calibers. Is the magnitude of the smallest division on the main scale divided by the total number of small divisions. One of the smallest divisions on the main scale divided by the total number of small divisions on the vernier scale. The difference in the magnitude of one main scale divisions and one vernier scale division is called the least count of the instrument, as it is the smallest distance that can be measured by using the instrument. Number of vernier scale division equal to n minus 1 main scale division. Let's count of vernier caliber. The magnitude of the smallest division on the main scale by the total number of small divisions on the vernier scale. The volume of sphere P equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Procedure 1 number. Keep the jaws of vernier caliper Clause observe the zero mark of the main scale. It must perfectly coincide with that of the Vernier scale. Number 2. Look for the divisions on the Vernier scale that coincide with a main divisions of main scale. Use a magnifying glass if available and note the number of divisions on the Vernier scale that coincides with the one on the main scale. Positions your eye directly over the division marks so as to avoid any relevant error. Number 3. Gently loosen the screw to release the mobile. Just slide it enough to hold the sphere cylinder body gently without any undue pressure. In between the lower jaw, AV, and jaw should be perfectly perpendicular to the diameter of the body. Now, gently tighten the screw so as to clamp the instrument in this position to the body. Carefully note the positions of the zero marks of the Vernier scale against the main scale. Usually, it will not perfectly coincide with any of the small divisions on the main scale. Record the main scale division just to the left of the zero axis of the Vernier scale. Number 5. Start looking for coincidence of a Vernier scale divisions with that of a main scale divisions in the Vernier window. From left and 0 to the right, note each number. They end carefully. Multiply n by less count of
Okay, no need to read the procedures one by one. You're just reading